5 fastest roller coasters in the world. Formula Rossa. Formula Rossa is the fastest roller coaster in the world with a top speed of 150 miles per hour. This roller coaster is located in Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. Formula Rossa accelerates from 0 to top speed of 150 miles per hour in just 5 seconds. Such blazing acceleration is 4.8 times faster than free fall. The Formula Rossa track is 2.2 kilometers in length. The ride contains 4 trains with 4 passenger cars. After the launch pad, the ride ascends 171 feet hill and will reach the top speed of 150 miles per hour. The ride will cover 2.2 kilometers long track in just 1 minute 32 seconds. Kingda Ka. Kingda Ka at Six Flags Great Adventure Park is the fastest roller coaster in the United States. The hydraulic launch mechanism in the ride helps it to gain the top speed of 128 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. This blazing speed also helps the ride to climb the 456 feet tall hill quickly. After the hill, the roller coaster will descend 418 feet straight down at an angle of 270 degrees. It covers 3,118 feet track in just 28 seconds. The journey through upside down track with blazing speed also makes weightlessness among riders. Dodonpa. Dodonpa is the fastest roller coaster in Japan, located at Fuji-Q Highland Amusement Park in Yamanashi. The ride goes up to the speed of 107 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds. Impressively, it is 2.7 times faster than the acceleration due to gravity. In that way, Dodonpa offers floating experience for its riders. The total length of the track is 1,189 meters, and the ride will cross this distance in just 55 seconds. It also reaches a maximum height of 52 meters during its journey. It was opened in the year 2001 and held the title of the fastest roller coaster in the world until top Thrill Dragster surpassed it in 2003. Superman Escaped from Krypton. Superman Escaped from Krypton is a steel shuttle roller coaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain Park in Valencia of California. The linear synchronous motors will accelerate this roller coaster from 0 to 100 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. This roller coaster will rise to a height of 415 feet, just like Superman. The riders will also feel weightlessness at that moment. The ride was opened in 2011 with backward-facing trains. Top Thrill Dragster. Top Thrill Dragster is the second fastest roller coaster in the United States, situated in Ohio. It is the first ever strata coaster in the world, a complete circuit roller coaster that exceeds 400 feet in height. This ride accelerates from 0 to 120 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. Then it starts ascending the 412 feet tall steel hill with an inclination of 90 degrees. The train also follows a 270-degree twist upon its descent. So that's pretty much it for this week. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.